Hello, gardening family. So, guys, I saw this earlier and I thought it was funny because I was like, it looks like this dude is making a trophy case because there were two dead cicadas sitting here. So, if you guys don't know what this, guys, is a cicada killer. Look at him. And I thought it was really funny because these two, I think, might have been there. And I'm like, it looks like this dude is making a trophy case. And guys, that is exactly what this fella is doing. Look at this. This joker has 4 dead cicadas lined up in a row. I don't know where he's going with that one right now. But look at these. 3. 1, 2, 3. He is lining them up. That is crazy. Like, I hear a couple of cicadas right now. But at the rate this fella here is going, I am not going to be hearing these jokers for much longer. Because he is on a mission. And he did this today, guys. All of this work has been today. This is nutty. So the last time I saw 2 of them, that was about 2 hours ago. So he's gotten him 2 more bodies in 2 hours. So guys, all of the pests, all of the insects that are out here, they are all here for a reason. And this guy, this cicada killer, he is here to take the cicadas out. Hear that? That's a male cicada. But yeah, he is here to take these jokers out. So guys, the trophy case is growing. I haven't released the video yet, but that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He is stacking bodies. Here he is. He just left. Okay, bud. I'm not gonna mess with him. But he's listening to them like, yeah, no. Okay, let me get out of his way. But he is stacking bodies like the beekeeper or John Wick or something. Number 8. He might actually have more than that because he looks like he's trying to stuff them through the holes. So there may be a bunch of them up under this deck. But he is dropping bodies like John Wick or the beekeeper. He even took one over there to keep that one company. Isn't that a trip?